Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. FoodSaver custom fit airtight food storage and sous vide vacuum sealer bags, 8 by 20 foot, pack of 3, perfect for meal prep and sous vide cooking. Multi-layer design, ensures an airtight seal, extending freshness and locking in flavors. Customizable length, avoid waste and precarious doesn't quite fit situations. FoodSaver system compatible, specifically designed to work with the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer. Safe material, BPA-free and safe for storing raw and cooked foods. Versatile usage, suitable for use in the freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and are boiling safe. Significantly increases food lifespan, protects contents from freezer burn and spoilage up to 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Package includes 3 8 by 20 foot vacuum seal rolls. Preserve the freshness of your meals longer with FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer bags. Designed exclusively for use with FoodSaver vacuum sealing systems, these BPA-free bags boast a multi-layer design, ensuring an airtight seal that extends the freshness of your food. With the flexibility. Thanks for watching and subscribe.